Welcome to another Win My Math video. Today's video, we're going to prove with mathematical induction that the sum of the squares of consecutive integers from 1 to n is in fact equal to n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 all over 6 for all integers n greater equal to 1. So for mathematical induction, we need to start with the base case, and that is when n is equal to 1. We're going to substitute n equals 1 on the left hand side of the equal sign, and we get 1 squared, which simplifies to 1. On the right hand side, when we substitute n equals 1 in, we get 1 times the quantity, 1 plus 1 times the quantity, 2 times 1 plus 1, all over 6, which simplifies to 1 times 2 times 3, all over 6, and simplifies to 1. So we've shown that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, hence we've shown that the base case is true. Next, we need to prove that the inductive case is true. So we're going to clearly state what we're assuming is true, which is this same formula, but when n is equal to k, we're going to show that this is true for all integers k greater equal to 1. Then we need to clearly state what we're trying to prove is true or show is true. So to write it, we're going to write down 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus all the way up to k squared, the same thing as the left hand side of the equal sign. And then we're going to add one more term. So we're going to replace k with k plus 1. So plus k plus 1 quantity squared. We're going to show that this is equal to the right hand side of the equal sign, and we're going to replace all the k's with k plus 1. And then if we simplify it, we're going to get k plus 1 times the quantity, k plus 2 times the quantity, 2k plus 3, all over 6. We're going to show this is also true. So let's get started. We're going to start with the left hand side of this equal sign. So we're going to write it down. Then we'll look at this portion, 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus all the way up to k squared. By using our assumption, this is equal to k times the quantity, k plus 1 times 2k plus 1 over 6. And then we have this plus k plus 1 quantity squared. Now we have two fractions. We have a fraction with a denominator 6, and we have a fraction with a denominator 1. So we're going to take the one with the denominator 1, which is the k plus 1 quantity squared, multiply the numerator and denominator by 6. So now they have the same denominator. Next, we notice there's a k plus 1 on both of these fractions. So we're going to factor it out, and we're left with k plus 1 times the quantity, k times the quantity, 2k plus 1, plus 6 times quantity, k plus 1. And this is going to be all over 6. Then let's move over here. We're going to simplify everything inside the bracket by multiplying out. So we're left with 2k squared plus k plus 6k plus 6. Don't forget the rest. Simplify that, and we get 2k squared plus 7k plus 6. And again, don't forget the rest. And then we'll factor 2k squared plus 7k plus 6 to be k plus 2 times 2k plus 3. And then don't forget the rest. Now you notice that this is pretty much what we're trying to show. It's true. So we've successfully shown that the inductive case is also true. And for our last step, we just need to state the conclusion. So in conclusion, by mathematical induction, this formula is true for all integers n greater equal to 1. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more, click on the video on screen to keep learning. Thank you.